Aramisi mwancho mugire nigo tugutitwarigereria amang'ana y'igikuru na ritugeriga rero nigo onde no mugoko kumanya ntoche kurigereria ebinto anne muno emeteri y'igikuru emeteri y'ekegusi na kiere eyeng'encho ase amatuka yaiga anne muno nekiro tugendete kunya kurinda ebinto bitonchukana na igo kiwika chinsa ibere chalero mambi ntoche gutwara abageni edinde tunyare kurigereria naki emete yaiga y'ekegusi emete yaiga ya aba Africa emeteri mekoro na kiabire ekekwebwa ase amatuka yega na eng'encho yaye gusugutwara obuya bwo gutwara emete yega ase echinka cheito nonye na seliro balito lya gusi imboro byobigo umwancho murigerea karibu sana ase mirobere ya Getembe TV yeli tukoria rero litukerigaria Alamisi titariki 12 mutenye yega ogatano onalimo nkorokwa Matilda obayigo kora ase studio akabere nere Mike Wilson aboigo ne timu ya ye enene entimu ukigima kurinde asingencho omwancho murigirando chingalero ebiro nigo byangira chimbiro tiganchake nensemo yekeunga eryo tucha kurigereria ayo agenderete ase chigazeti na boigo tucho gukwanira egekoro kirekyo mwancho murigira na kurwa ase ebunge ye senate nekira bono oroboti rogo ito kwae Albert Ojwang rogenderete koreta liberera litindi ase egati yakira abarai bono litukurigoro niko bono oyore omo inspector general obwa banyanyimbo omanyekana tubona Douglas Kanja mwaziri ebuborende boime omusikie Kipchumba Murkomen ntobate oyotenete soyore omokonyi bomotenere bwe kyombekeri kya aipoa kyokorigereria na abanyanyimbo bakoremeremo asense ya Kenya ane awanjiko nere narenge ase obusyo bwe senate na boigo noyotenete ekyombekeri kya DCI na boigo National Police Service na boigo korende abaseneta niko bagendete gutwara amabolyo amange igoro yogusira kwa Albert Ojwang oyorenge omwalimu kuro ase county ya Homa Bay lakini onyalete gusira kare ase amaboko ya abanyanyimbo samienda na twariganeretie oroboti oro asinchira engekirano kegema.
Regarding the tragic death of Mr. Albert Omondi Ojwang, who is a resident of both Migori and Homa Bay counties under police custody.
Albert Ojwang nomosae ogwito kwaye kwa bwateranigwe n'abanyanyimbo ase amatuka bwangoiga korengana ne report ya rwetwe nomubari nigo ekoro kyabuna Ojwang nigayitetwe nago kwa kubwatikana n'ekingoma anyorete mamincha ne report ya rwetwe n'abanyanyimbo buna nigatuomerete nago kwa.
May take this opportunity to welcome the CS Interior and National Administration and your team.
Itukoria rero umuwaziri w'uburendi bw'eme Kipchumba Murkomen umu Inspector General Douglas Kanja na boigo umunene bw'ekyombe gy'obutukigose Directorate of Criminal Investigation abaikirana asebunge Senate erikureneria amaboli igoro yogusira kumusaya Albert Ojwang.
That the evidence that I shall give before the Senate in respect of the matters before the Senate or this committee shall be the truth. Aba seneta nigo baikirwana amaboli amange ryokorera obwikiranu kirikirete ogukwa kwa Albert Ojwang.
Who beat Albert to the conditions that he was found the next day in the morning when he was taken to the hospital? What happened at that night is what we want to know.
Whether in accordance to the investigation, by the time Albert Ojwang arrived at Central Police Station, what was his state?
Was Central Police Station the first police station for Albert to be booked upon arrival in Nairobi?
Moseneta bwe county ya Kakamega uyotene na nakubolia nigamubolia Murkomen gwetigia mirimo.
And you have the audacity and tell Kenyans that you don't see, you don't know. CS Murkomen, please, for the respect of this young man, you are yet to grow a child up to the age of 31. Can you immediately resign? You are not fit to be in that docket.
Asensemo yaye Murkomen gokwa nanigo ane kimiroberiyo yogokora obutukine chigokorwa iryokoreta bari bayikiranditie egekorekie aseri chiko.
And to promise them that, Mr. Speaker, as a government official, I will cooperate, I will put every effort within my ministry to ensure that justice is served to this family. And Mr. Speaker, that those who were involved in this action, Mr. Speaker, will be punished severely so that it becomes an example that, Mr. Speaker, such an act should not happen within a police custody.
Asensemo yae Inspector omonene Douglas Kanja nigo ainekia gikorekyo na kuria eiranga asensemeri y'abanyanyimbo nechikonekia obotuki bwa korre erikonyora bali bahikiraneti oboitiobwe.
Investigations into the matter remains ongoing under the direction of IPOA. The National Police Service remains committed to transparency, accountability, and the protection of human rights. All relevant information and support are being provided to IPOA to ensure an impartial investigations.
Amalieta y'abanyanyimbo bali bachite kumuya Albert nigo gwikira bonaiga amanyekanire. Irio korenta bali banyarte koba bagwikirani oboitibwe buna enchera yemo ye familia Albert irio konyora obwene bwabo. Kuripoteri ya Getembe Nchensam Miyenda.
Mwancho muligira eyunerengana egendere takoreta liberera gusukwe mukiriberera litindi aiga asensi ya Kenya kunenera kuboria oboine wae ose gochasenka ya Albert Ojwang eponyare gotoka na abamenyi bakurwa chinsemo cha Keumbu egotoka meyanyari bari chache county ya Kisii nigo litukoro igoro banyarite gusanga ebirengerero byabo anene muno igoro ye budget yo mwako yoiga ekero baukwanera finance bill nabo igo kurigere yo budget ngakicibesa chirache ko bwatuka gocha ase chiwizara ao ime ye serikali ye county ya Kisii nabo igo baukwana no mulikito Daniel Ontiri nigo banyarite kuboria abarai bali bachorire ase birugo ao banyare wikirania amagendero korengana buna baliete chira
korengana ne katiba yiga Kenya yo mwaka w'ekiri 2010 ekengese kiemiemo 95 nekemo mwananchi nabwate obosibule bukuru birengerero byaye asingana rinde lyonsi rimurengete nakubwatakana nayo asogosanga ebirengerero byabo igoro ye budget ye county ya Kisii yo mwaka w'ekiri 2025 mwaka w'ekiri 2025 no yomo abamenyi kurase ya nyeri bari chache nigorero benyorera libagelyo mwiga okoreka sensemo ya Keumbu na wikirenwa boigona barai au bakoragwa no Mosiki Karen Magara moyo msiyo machore we county ya Kisii uyolenge omunyakirogo
na shilingi 736
ase birengerero byarwe gwa kuboria nigo kwabekwa igoro yokogania kwa bamenyi gweso kiasobonge ase bikaro bunebi likonyorera libaga lyogwancherana gosigokana egati yichi project cha magendero icho chirobere gocha gokorwa ase mwako iga we budget
ekero omo anainchi agocha iga korigereri ngambi ntoki bitara tekerezo korwa sakoru so that orwa maoni nganki kerabe gosenki batagete mune ward gechakeru twarigereire ama ebinto bire propose ne executive n'abanainchi nabaro barura maoni yabo. So ninkagerete nga this is a very important exercise lakini togo imesaba na inchi nga it is important ba chicha so that imba tekonyareka nge bintu mbire batagete bikorekana se binyoro bakoru mbira akorekana na ndo ndeta yokoru maoni kwa niaba ya
ne machiko ale bonga goika tokolege kaike egere ibintu birumwa na inchi atoire byagenda byalikwa nande byirana byasomwa byararunga na byebi barwete igo gwakera n'umugabano itonga mbiyamano biritwatira se budget ibinde bya ikeranire binde mikendete go ikerana torolenga nande biru bitarikirana tubibwate segare bisugume bikirane
omubwekano ase wodi ya Kisii Central yekoragwa no Mosike Monyenye yoge ase budget yeta emechando mekeni go yaene kiwa ase okwama kwegati yeche project gati abo chiria chigosira bonchiria bakabake nebyombe ase kulende wodi yo yakolie buya asa mangana yechipara na sobochenu
yente kitabeti ngangweti kukere igo Kisii county turera ne maiga kimagendero ase budget ya 2024-2025 njabwate challenge chiaye ashiwodi chinde ashicontractor chiaye tukitalenga kora chigasi igama swali ntwabuli n'abananchi lakini twabayiraneri nje mune ward yane ku Kisii Central Ward amangane chipara ndoche is 95%. Amangana ICT classroom is 95%.
Asense mwende abamenya baiga nigo bemurunganiria ogokorwa masaragata kwegati yeche project che county n'abanyakonda bakanwa n'ekinde kitikalire tenchera embwa bateba batari gochigwanja ase omwaka oigo omuya na baboria omugavana bwe county ya Kisii kurigereria buya eng'ane iyo
ebinto mbiro chi contractor bagocha baye guchigas bachi batigera enchera igo togosaba buna intwe abantu ba Kiumbu chi contractor yegocha Kiumbu yewe gas yagenda yatigera ebinto enchera next nturukoma gose nabashimi wabaito ngwanda bari babwati einde yenda ba block ebinde gekogera chipare chikore batigera enchera igo togosaba igavana yeito bwati ebinte ebi buya kere gento kerorokane gekogera abantu babeire bagocha babeka mara mugege chipara bagenda na bakodire mambye pare yasareka
budget yengo ntwala ntamaone tonyeru mutwanyerure lakini kibese cyabale mabunga ikigo kigero mwaka ngo etigo kire sana kero mwaka baturangirigo cyakembu abunanganga bunanje bakorega babwatinjira bakora bagenda bunancho mole mabugo nkumeti na icyo form kinyinge jinga no konyu na nakora gentecho
muroburiga bosangiriria ebirengereria sabamenye be county ya Kisii nigekora mwelyo litko lyalero nabamenye abayiga batigera bale no gosemerio konge buna manchiryo baboria na chikokoreka elio bakonye kense yobora yobuya we county yo nkurubaterega taseni kyagetembe letrene ngurko Daniel Untiri korengana
omoyiga buno yoyo kura ase bunge ya Kitutu Church South ande county ya Kisii nigo bono naro abamenye bensinse mecho banyalite gukora ugosangiririkana nabo yo gosanga ebirengerere byabo igoro ya budget yo mwako yoiga ya serikali ye county ya Kisii na egati ya baraibari banyalite gukirana ase bikarebyo ngamono mo MCA onyatieko mosike Amos Mukaya nabo iga orio oribwe ward ya Bugeka omosike Richmond Manani nekero banyalete kwera buna nigo serikali ya county eligetie uchakwendekea ya watu kirechi mashine achiakira engenjo gochase chi sub county chonsi nabo gochase chi ward bunenjireyemo yoko hororobia obugima gose okolika abantu emeremo nabo igo koikirania amagendero mori keito roth kemunto no roboti oro.
It's very difficult to monitor.
Chingaki serikali yagendrete kwarigania budget yo mwaka uyo igani gabamenyi be county ya Kisii bagendrete kwenana ebirengereri byabo ilikwene kibuna nguchikwenyorera bara magenderero alibaganitie buna abananchi ime ya sub county ya Kitutu Church South nigo egeikarekyo gekerano no mu MCA we ward ya Bugeka omusike Richmond Manani
Richmond ayori endo mu MCA Bugeka and the chairman of Sports and Culture Social Services, this is County Assembly and then the member of Budget Committee. Erogega tuachirikora gamba igori estimate ye budget ya next financial year 2025-2026. So unatore iga tuarire maswali yara aboriwe public participation yani iliyo abantu bagocha baina na maoni yabo mtubatagitega kori chuoni mbali.
Chingaki chichiboigo nigo omwe-MCA onyatieko omosike Amos Mukaya abagakwerera obuya bwo kuigwa magani y'abananchi
ichiko lito ga PFM Act ligotebanga lazima abananchi bamwe ebintu bikuru kwese budget ne sauti y'abananchi nere kuwekana
abawakilishi bekegorie geke nigo ba umuroberio yoko bakona kubolia abantu bonse wikirana ase bikaro bingabunebyo
John Nyamongo Ndieki. Today I'm happy social participation is a good exercise. We as the youth were being engaged on how we can contribute to this county on matter budgeting.
Please let us attend this public participation because inatusaidia sisi kama Wakenya kama wananchi to know exactly what is happening on the ground. You can able to ask questions, to oversee what is happening. Na before we go to the ground to complain, tunaweza jua ni nini inaendelea.
Nonye nabo abawakilishi be county ya Kisii nigo baba bakwerera emiroberio yogochiko bwatoka amagenderero ase binyoro ime.
Rokurigeria abantu betu mbateta match batete birasi BCD bale chipara. Akila lazima kuna ntoba MCA tuisaransa n'abananchi to muhimbiri bibiri bitakiriri tangani. Bikorwe alafu bibiri mapo bwati.
Boisaransa tore tutorenki abantu baitu batagite egetangani digere tubaekero kyo atoranyara gusoje guso lakini ntoko basabenga kuneye abananchi baminto kamuranje chiparanje sarekete chipare chi embura yabire nyinge tigana inuko rari chipare chi arosingu mwana mwabe mwaticha drainage
ekereki kioni gobo baba bagukwanira ogokeya kubutumikyo bobe bwechibesa echichikorwa gwa buna ebango
akobekera twabere tokoriye budget semyaka yebere yaitire chibesa chinyinge chikwanda sichipara tukaamwa ntokunyara koba toko west chibesa kada tokori chimashini chetu chikoba every sub county kere sub county lechikotwara mu gaiga boge tutu chache south etware chimashini chiabo e budget iriya mu governor executive nero yato ede chibesa chikoro moro so eka twari gere gabona bone budget chimashini chon speech ko almost 1.5 something billion
uko bwaterana asobwamo negento baba bako koboko na kubulia okogenderera kwe miradi ya magenderero sechinsemo au
esikuwa kora usene street light akobeke street light osemboge ka osembogi zero etali yaro ibekera kita yabona wono chabere chikuigwa juice iganto akorete amache one of my friend urumo msenante ngabe gete solar oye andi chebiru gebinte nebito e budget nya kwa bekiro 2 million chigo ja separa ndende para yao ndenda street light yao lenda enyagitali yao anda soro chebintu bigotumeka we especially abantu bakwe uchiga siche serikali bakora chi contractor to basa ko ganyo mu MCB ka cha ko complain to koranga tara akora moneta
Mwancho murigirira nekero litukure igoro liarenge elituko olia baremi CNC nigo bono akorwa ase county ya Nyamira bali bakoro boremi na boigo obotugi banyalete konyora amahigerio au buna umusaketo Fatgad Gisemba abotomanya
Ekero ritukoria rero riri eria baremi nigo abaremi na boigo abatugi be county ya Nyamira basemiwe enchirengia parakinie rigesariabo anene abatugi be Chombe
engombo na average gage 3 to 5 liters chinze chinde chile 30 to 50 liters tutara ikeji 30 ndokora beka average ya 10 to 20 breed improvement engombe enyore mori ebuata mabere kubwengena arige kubekwe breeding ya geweke ya gatatu bono kobere piwa. There is no way ora aragire ngombe breeding ya tonyora 15 liters to 20 liters per one day.
Nigo abaremi betugo tibanjira munyagitari onde bwensi kurwaria etugo yabo anene ebirobiria erendwaire naribagaria yo nerebya umunyagitari oyo korokya ekadi yemeremo aseboigo baria bakonia na konyenya etugo yabo ekero yarwarire buna nigo egetambukero egetindi kiraje kuimukiwa asibari
Kenya hatuwezi kufanya export ya maziwa, ya mbuzi, ya ng'ombe, ya nyama kwa sababu ng'ombe zetu ama nyama zetu na maziwa zimejaa dawa huko ndani. Kuna wale ambao tumepata ripoti kama wale ambao labda saa nyingine ng'ombe ndio hiyo wameitibu mpaka wanaona mara ya mwisho wacha waende wauze ndio watu wengine wakule sumu ya dawa ambayo imejaa kwa mwili ya ng'ombe. Hawa pia ndio tunawapea onyo kwa sababu tumewashika wengine na tukishirikiana na counties na tumekubaliana kwamba hakuna dawa, hakuna ng'ombe mgonjwa yenye imejazwa dawa mwili inakubalika kuchinjwa katika kichinjio yoyote Kenya hii, na mwenye anafanya hivyo Kenya Veterinary Board itachukua hatua.
Aiga chisese chimbori na boigo Chombe nigo chaigwa eriogo na boigo obuyabo kwena na eriogeriga guchasibori nigo chiakwanirwa
debisi yenelio konyora isese kobongwa mwitu egento ekogera toenanite priority asoborwa irobo nerie bure togotebe bure zoonotic by zoonotic etomanishete ebokobase esese gwachase mwanyabana na baibere etogwatoborwa bokoroku entira asegesomo bokoroku anthrax nobo noboreire bure zoonotic bogotera mwanyabanda nende wansi mwanyabanda abonyorire atanyorete medication ya bwango oborwaire obogoita namba isato ndogwatoborwaire bwechombe bokoroku lambi skin disease engombe once yabeire affected production yekogenda nsepi naende it can eventually lead to death.
Omugabanyaribo nigo arireira buna nigo aguchakoenekia buna omoroberio oyoiga nguchore kogenderera ekaunti ya Nyamira enkima
abaremi baito twabaretera abantu bakubasomera n'oburemi bategerere naende mwakora n'obu science bogoteba tokorwa ndoto maligoma yotokana sub-county chonsi pi abantu banyare basomirwa oburemu buya.
Ingo ripotera Getembe korasegeti ekeiga kya esanige kegotoka imeye ward ya Mawawa ebunge ya North Mugirange County ya Nyamira. Jeff Atigad Gisemba
Mancho murire na akoro ase bali bakwamiriria eserikali bakorwa na omusike Kalonzo Musyoka niko bono banyare kumuboria oyore mokonyi bo motene wa banyanyimbo anyare gwetigia emirimo ngaikyagera niko bono nere oireto gusira kwaye Albert Ojwang baukwana litukoro igoro na baliki bamangana maya niko banyare takwera na ensemo yobolendi nonyenero terabake goikirania ebitambukiro biri biganeiri elikwana na oboene na boyo kubwatoka orobotirore no Rubuasioku igoro yogosira kwae omwalimu Albert Ojwang.
Yesterday, June 10th, 2025, we've read and heard that the Director of Public Prosecutions, the DPP, directed the Independent Policing Oversight Authority, IPOA, to expedite investigations on circumstances surrounding the death of Albert and report within 7 days. This is a cover-up and a diversionary tactic to delay this matter. The mandate of the DPP under the Constitution of Kenya is to direct the National Police Service and the Directorate of Criminal Investigations in writing to do investigations, not to direct the IPOA. The postmortem on Albert is clear, and all Kenyans have formed this opinion. He was murdered. In light of the foregoing, we are calling not just for the resignation, but for the arrest and arraignment in court of the Deputy Inspector General of Police, Eliud Lagat, within 24 hours from the issuance of this statement. We similarly demand that the junior officers currently being persecuted be given witness protection with immediate effect. Their lives obviously are in danger because they know the truth. We applaud the courageous Kenyans who have kept vigil at Vigilance House and encourage them to maintain the pressure until this is achieved.
Nase oroboti oru nigo muraibense Muske William Ruto nere litukora igoro nere anyarite kugikiria egekorwa ikyo na boigone kiratebete abakenya bonsi babe raia gose babe abanyanyimbo babonete ko bugambirwa gose ko irobosi bwikigambiro kolengana nelichiko anna muno ekiroba irire ubugima bwa abantu bande koba asa Kongo gose amagima y'abakenya bande gosira.
Mambo ya usalama ya Kenya ni haki ya wananchi. Usalama ya mali yao, maisha yao, biashara zao ni majukumu yetu kama serikali. Na National Police Service, despite the fact that it is an independent entity, is working with us to make sure that we create the necessary synergy between the provincial, the national government administration officers and our security teams, ndio tuhakikishe ya kwamba kuna usalama. We cannot accept kwamba kuna uhalifu inaendelea na saa zingine hata officers wetu wengine wanahusika. And that is why we say, tunasema whether criminals are in civilian or they are in uniform, we must deal with them firmly and decisively, and the law must apply to each and every person so that we can protect the lives and property of every citizen. We must make sure, and the National Police Service, an independent institution, must discharge its responsibility independently, fairly, decisively, and also with results.
Na vile vile the Independent Police Oversight Authority must make sure that officers in uniform who engage in criminal activity instead of protecting citizens must be brought to book, held to account decisively, efficiently, so that
mwanjo murigiria na sevire biga ni gotokogena umutimo kumoke elinde tokoirana twirane nensemo gazeti kendera gotigara ime umurobero iga vwetwane ya getembe irinde tunyare ko batogosangana chinsemo cha Facebook Getembe TV chinsemo chiri cha YouTube Getembe TV na boigo gwetrase namba yetu ya studio 0726 44 73 67 manye eritariao ase kwamba tire kuri mambia bono na boigo na arali aligosekerengera kya ngiriki anemono rogoito kwae Alberto Ojwang na boigo kunya gukonyorenga keweka akosege kuraga chinsa ibere cyarero mamindo cyukwanira emete yekenyeji emete yekegusi emete yemekoro yaba Africa naki obuya bwa emborobi nande wikira matukaega ninki togendere inki kegerete tobwenete kogendera ko yerenda wancho murira tobasagoska.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo gurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale iyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate etime tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kindi kinsi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate no corrugated na boigo box corrugated asimigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerungetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerungibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago tena Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer babwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kwa bogo tumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kwa bogo kwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumu chuligo musongo eyueranga neduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Ne noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate imisangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday misangirikano yechikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyuro kinyumo inyangi rusuko kwa kuyomino imijiga ao munabono housewarming parties engagement parties igatie binde bige bono Getembe television network nero ego kwayiga ashiriguridio gotugutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyi bitabo bare no bamanyi wiguro igeti byetibwate signal ere enkongo igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganitie omurikirwe nabukulika ujumbe benge wigo gwitira semeria WhatsApp gushiku ya kisimi gwitira namba 0741499726
Yobombolo mwanone kiririjane
amasomo nanine obumanyi nabuborairire omwana okugendera asa matuko ali busyo ne aye omwibuli kwabire gukuri Yesukuru asoraire omwana ayanyorera obumanyi nanene bw'ekikosi ky'amaboko murete Keroka Technical Training Institute elyo aibunduse ekikosi ao igaiga ntubwate ekikosi bunabono eliaya Building and Civil Engineering ase tokubundisa Building Technician Level 5 na Level 6, Civil Engineering Level 6, Building Arts and Masonry Level 4, Plumbing Level 4 na Level 5, Carpentry and Joinery Level 4, Land Survey Level 5 na boigona Level 6 egati chinde chinyinge kubundisa tore boigo ekosia Electrical and Electronics Engineering ase tokubundisa Electricity Installation, Electrical Engineering Power Option 5 and 6 na boigona Electrical Workshop ase ekosia Agriculture and Environment Studies, Agripreneurship Level 5 na Level 6, Horticulture Level 5 na boigo na Level 6 ase ekosia Applied Science Department ntubwate Science Laboratory Technician Level 5 na Level 6 na boigo Analytical Chemistry Technology Level 6 ase ekosia Computing and Informatics Department ntubwate ekosia ICT Technician Level 5 na Level 6, Records and Archives Management Level 5 na boigo na Level 6 Jitumela ase nsema ya Community and Online Working imejeskuru yigaya keti nigotubwate a Modern Library yubwate bintu byonsi ibiraga nibyo gotumeka ari nayo kubundisa tole ekosi ya Version Design ase level ya 4 na boigo neli ya 5 ase omoroki wa akwebundisa na kwenyorera ubumanyi obura mu bikasi libagaligia ase industry ya fashion ase tubwate chimashini chekerero inkoigeli ya bale boigo Business Studies na Entrepreneurship ase chinsamu cha Cosmetology nigotokwigeli ya Beauty Therapy Level 4 na Level 5, Hairdressing Level 4 na boigo na Level 5 nyuranga ase Beauty Therapy nigo okwenyorera ubumanyi wekerero unabono Hairdressing, Pedicure, Manicure egati ubumanyi bonde obunge boigo ntubwate kosi ya Mechanical and Automotive Engineering ase tokubundisa Automotive Arts Level 4, Automotive Engineering Level 5 na Level 6 ase bego tokubundisa Welding and Fabrication Level 4 ajirira muretu mwanu ayenyorere obumanyi obwiga nabono nigo intake y'umutinyu gatano egenderete eskure yigani yere kilomita ya munene uskuru asomo chokeroka asamange nabugutalira website yaito wetera www.kerokatechnical.ac.ke ose nabugwaka esimu wetera sechi namba 0726588558 gose 0708330000 asigo ayirena kwenyorera obumanyi iri wibekiri bagari rya asense yiga yokwirwanirira gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibi ya uwanje Tiaga Tembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimirulu ao ya Getembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuli mienzi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Wikanonya, Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chemereka je Christmas amonogo chingira kumwako muya ili wegoki nimirulu yitu ao inyuranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Getembe Television Network ekeonga kia Mwamogusi.
ine nkuri gyore enyumba yekerero yu urakorere ubunchiriri bwao imiya kengo ejiro yugo tuka bomba baburabo asebunge yabo machoge burabo enyumba ye nengia asobunchiriri buna enyagitari esukuro esupermarket nubunde obunge kolingana nokogani kwao tibweba nebwate amache ne wifi boigo nigo erechimita emya eye muchuka rwa ase factory ya marati asamange ikira abanyene ase chinamba 0721930180 gose 0790211412 enyumbeye neao minyoka.
Eduka yo bomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabondo mbabwate chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nigwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori lyabantabati boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wekabunuraganye bwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwekirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo elekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorolekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange ne duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera ase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Boy Juakali Center neduka egokoneria ebitamba byokorosia echisovaset ebirogo byechisovaset begomba bwate chikapet chisanduki cy'abana bagucira eskuru na boygo echo kubekera chianga nigo babwate emeito yebirengo ao kurwa eri abana bagucira eskuru amarangeti ebitamba byokwara na kurarira babwate chichiko chiviber cyokoroseria ebirogo na boygo chips chikoros chipillowcase echo ogorarira
Gagi omwana yo boy tikanda ndango ichibeza ntabu atemuko lakini naikire taracha seito nanyorere mwapo ichi wakali hai bone ichibeza ko enda mpulingi ko pulingi hemeito ya bana bakuchere sukuru hemeito yo konyora bana chisare kwa razangu ra duniani kaki oroje baka nabwate baka ebinto mbire bakoro kachiferi veti chikorozi ebirogo biechikali hai kaki apa kusiba sipinga imore kaki imore hai inchu kaki mwenzi tabatari ninchu koja moye binto kuruga mwapo ichi wakali hili omuganga James Yonkoroko kaki
mbabwate chitandarwa chokorosia ebirugo byechigali nabo igo ebirugo bya leather gusechi sofa set cha leather gwetani abo nigo kubanyora babwate chi velvet echo oranyare koroseria ebirugo byao gusekende gyonsi origeti korosia nebintu nebyo mbabwate cha Items ase ebirengo ao manyiga nonya nechitandarua chokorosia chihema mbabwate kaibagotoka nigo bagotoka ange ne hotel ya Kisii Hotel katikati yo musikiti odaraja mbili na Uru Superstores barabari na Kisii Hotel gutaka kumanya bange na kugura kende gyonsi bakere ase enamba 0720688220 Boy Juakali Center inkyukanyete utaragura ebintu bya okuruoro
Njempo Juakali Store na bariga ni mwesto kole biashara osobwamo ingotoka opposite Kisii Hotel na bariga ni mwesa
Gaki genda mwapoi gaki nyasaye baba boli Juakali gaki egotoka alinsa alitara chambiri gaki ligere libudango kuanete omusio mubihili gaki nariri goli kwa sarense ebintu nago lirega gaki Boy Juakali hili gaki hili ngogongonya musio mubihili kuri tibintu mlimamba
nigo bakwigura amatukonsi kuri nderi tukuri sabato tibari kwigura
amatera yo kumubaka omunguru
omwaka oyo n'omwaka gw'oguseseniwa
eke nekyonka kya mwamogusi yora ayanayenda mange asoblomo yubukumbolele amaseseniwo getembe FM ekyonka kya mwamogusi abasaye bikyali kyamakyaya buno link up show nikujakolirwe mbokigima kira litukuli Jumatatu weke Ijuma kuchakira chinse isano nebiri chamubaso wika chinse kumigoro umrena nera Wizard Crown bakubwatirana na DJ Topsha on ones and twos bakongolere emiziki bakwa showbiz trending issues namanginande yekyalekya makyaya link up show link up na sisi kurwa sasaba wika ikomigro Wizard Crown na DJ Topsha imehe ya Getembe FM 102.7
Enya gitari ya Medford nigo egobarariria free consultation ya Maiso na boigo amaino tariki 13 wika tariki 14 cy'umutinyu gatano narimo umwukwega asensemo ya Maiso mbakore chinsemo buna lens replacement frame replacement eye examination color vision checking eye infections na allergies diagnosis ya eye allergies semo ya maino dental consultation, routine checkup, dental root treatment, pulpectomy, pulpotomy, denture installation, dental extraction, full mouth sculling, na normal filling. Ayirira aserit keriga uzetarkichiga asamange nabo okobakera esimi ase namba 0101 001 127 gose 0762 105-575 Batarere ase enyagitarega irase para ya Kisii Referral Hospital Road
ayo mworo karuge tanda bana mbarenja uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege
ensemo ya kabiri y'umurubiri wiga bwitwani agatembe na ndengo kumanya iga ekirato cyo kumurikira kigazeti ciri tukoria rero nigo turi nere mienda samu na boigo Emmanuel Onchiri erio tunyare gusanga nayo moncho murigiriria ayagenderete ase chinsemo eme eyense ya Kenya mienda mbiyore
mbiyanda kabisa sana mimi tuanze tuwapokea leo some Thursday yeah sana mimi
Onchiri Kibakire.
Asinje wakire vile. Nokubanga twase program cyaro.
Ya bona nchetima itinga mo embeo mwaso eri umetaba saerero no kanyaranga. Bari utaka gukwana muono. Usimu bwato bwo muraba sa.
No, unless Manuel Karo Mova in Chaidu talk. And kenga kigira ike maybe kende ko kerabe. We have lived every miaka make.
Aishindwe. Tigana na yunga ngakende kukira ike. Omanyete muntu taguchako gochegi bosaigo.
Lakini bwana kuna intoma we do talk. Mate once you are a journalist, you need to tell abantu nkikere. And we have to speak what is there. But the end tulikuwa inchenga everything andake liberally inquiry and the president through the Minister of Interior, the CS of Interior, tavinga mangna extrajudicial inquiry. So I want to be living inquiry.
Extrajudicial killings. Cause police brutality.
Beyonce, we might do the same thing because judicial killing actually it entails still police na wako involved. Kwa sababu extrajudicial killings we are talking about even the protest, the cause kwa nyano monto sirio bogi mabwai. That is it. So be eating it says there's someone else who did it. Was a police. After all, is what we call extrajudicial killings. So I think
lakini asani ngutumeka bali chinguru bali kuita bantu obusewa Onchiri abanyanyimbo ngakiroche amanganako ako ngakibako myokana ba Kenya.
Okay. Ndebe kwanza kora huyo litibu ngaki. Ego ndo kero mwa kali boigo mwana sana leo tena ikiwa na kiteme.
So are you saying mbo umwana linda menya?
Ngoma nere menyete.
Okay,
no. You understand na. Okay, abaskari no mai tena bani aba na nyumba ya hotel na baro na ba. Kiagera senare ale buitera igoro. Kaurasi goti una mungwano yo obete goitwa. Team nere yenga Central Police Station. Kiagera senaro kugirelia umu na nyimbo yo monena ole involved. Akunyara koteba na nere na damu na nere na bwata bana nere ngo understand yo as a parent. Ono na hapo na njin tigire like na dilemma. Ono lende mo kole bikora buni.
Bonsi bate vile mwanya bantu lakini obugima bwasirire. Na ikirongurira headline ya The Standard ndo chibwate bicha ya Eliud Lagat oyore omokonye bo Inspector General nekira bono arebuna nere omorikire kigima ekire kuboringa kila squad boss nabo ekuborigo timitinga inokiro mwarigiriria singane yega ningo bono kiro kurigiriria timu yega yonsi buna anamone yu yanyarito ikabuse senete na mpara bya baiga babonete kwena na machivu asichinga keji.
Tiganza kengo tabanga litkolegoro I was very keen sana kero muwaziri gose ya muwaziri gubori ndwe make Kipchumba Murkomen na a team ya IPOA yarenge including the director of criminal investigation no balinge galia semiria ya senate usase bunge ya senate na aba senator mbatene sana gwetera se statement yabige tunomo senator we county ya Migori yure Ediokech igoro yo gutaka kumanyanga ingekigenderete ase ose kubatkana namo no boiti bulwanya ko bokorekana wa Albert Ocheng I mean Albert Ojwang, not Ocheng. Amo swali nya tukoba kubori wanga actually what was the event, the eventful time chinga kichirigo se yanya kantengo Albert Rusi ukurwa Homa Bay giya kora kantenga yabege tu yani step by step. And those ones who are responsible actually the main person who will correspond no waziri Murkomen yuanda ake naro chigotra statement yago tabanga nere tako nere nabanga abaseneta bali batamaiti kegenderete batika kwetrase okokora uchunguzi mbanya ko bakumanyanga nkikegenderete also so the response ya IG oyure Douglas Kanja okorwa reporting mpaka nana Marieta yaba obisa bali yabanyene bachite mpaka Homa Bay kumoi Marieta bamanyakanire na bali barenga obisi and the order where the order came from including Lagat egerenga ekonya so chunguzi kumanyanga mo orenge ko mo usekane tasa oboitio boiga. I think Matilda, that is a good step. Number one, now that we know mo chiete mpaka Homa Bay through whose order and that event, how it went step by step, I think it was the best thing the Senate could have done. Egerenga aba Kenya, you know, this is a very matter of national interest. Ojwang na bara abu mwalimu kurwali Homa Bay. Yes. When something like this happens, twensi mwanya bantu negento negenteke pesana. So it is a good step. Egerenga enyara ko bagego konya obotu kibokorwe koreta on board bali banyara ko bako usikanase obucho bwa Albert Ocheng. So through the Senate na wole naro chega alia no nyino mu Senator we county ya Kakamega, including omo Senator we county ya Nandi. Bago tebya omo waziringa kuikira bono iga ya showing tari competent yani taisa inikero ukeli anyino ko bwega ale ko esengi chama skania manene ya Albert igara ko nyara ko bakago itigemeremo nara yuare ngama manene in the morning session one in the evening actually responses chama swali abo litugwa mange imeye Senate mbebona sana Emmanuel na kurwa sensemo yawe kero kware kubwatia nganeri buna kero abateneneri bebyo mbebiga byanyarito wikirana obosibo Senate abanyarito kusanga n'aba senator kero kende nubwate watigalete bono namaburi amange zaidi ose kwanyalire kwanyora watwalire oko semeryanga kero kende bono machibu nacho kutoka.
Okay, nje kulingana na nje ngana kufuatilia edikai yagendelele ulise kuligerelia almost yo salamu ndiria kichumba Murkomen alafu na Douglas Kanja uyoro monene wabanya nyimbo. Yes. Ebosi ya DCI first wenge go konde mwege tende kisana kwali to muntu gange yani korekana njirali ukona mpaka ukora tabwa very innocent. Yes. Ono this one ya sana ki ono lendemo usekanite nekitende alafu ulise kuigeri marugo wa late mangana mayenga semitandao umuna nyimbo naro kukusambulita lamu nere bona oyu obekire like now the killer among the killer walia the cooks nere bona ako liswali igaho tebabuna kero Mr. Ojwang aigetigwa se the police station in Central Nairobi already enga unconscious already awata majira nera kamurifa. Yes. On another question ya changa ki ono lende njira au mise tweet njira kolere tuwa kiagira talamu gawa tebabuna abanya nyimbo bamuchirete na baranda DCI ono nera akumachibote babuna ne ani igave keire ani like atete ko basacrifice asama gosa takolo na tukurire asense moya ye DCI boss amen nanyarite gukwanera konye ekero baguchaka nanyarite kwerera buna Ojwang ani ganyarite kwa Central Police Station kale buya. Okay, yeturo chika bono noise bona abuno kungusana nakole. Yes. Aito kubwate kuchikware ono aliswali ngaki ono wote beke manya. Ina kikibona abana inchi atagita at least banyoreke manya. You see nanda again Matilda aba umuwaziri Murkomen na babo Kanja na including Amin or your DCI actually mbao sekanit one on one asobo itibwa wa Albert
lakini rende gwetera ase uchunguzi yakogera docket yene ya security na uba usikaine they have to go down barigerelinga aba obisaba ngakianya lekanete was the procedure followed koreta oyo nde on board kwa sababu according to the Eliud Lagat igabwate okolalamika kokatebanga Albert Ojwang niga musariti elieta that is a defamation bono ekanarekananga bono yabwana twabwatu egere uchunguzi ekorekana nando mata sense ito ya Kenya asiri chikolia 2010 kuri katebanga someone is what we call you are innocent until proven guilty. So before Albert atarakwa Albert was very innocent kwa sababu ntomoro cha se court ende onsi etebenga ndake ekesi kigia defamation ekiga Eliud yagotabanga anyartko baga gusarigwelieta kia iri koti yeti gunga manena akoreteki na musareti elieta. So when we are talking about the issue yoko musikoro Homa Bay kako bangare pia keraika paka maite ngamba itete I think was it Narok paka baka soft drink bune gotebekana buna oyo ndare goteba I think it was Kanjoro gotebanga na harageri keraika ariese police station akanyarkana ngatarbia. That is when the order came na tigara irunya kitali and the cause akanyarkwa gusiro kumagwaye. Lakini according to the report that was read the other day numo pathologist kusumo mubale oyue ore nere media igo yagotebekananga kubwatekana na majeraha abwate ayua yatebekantenga iga itetuanda kana nebe gotebia okosino kurwana kulia oko struggle kulia na inachange risk chirina chiagerete wekero kukwaye, meaning that it wasn't something like wasega atarwa iga bwate a certain condition. It is true either kwa mistreated kwa tortured wekerekera ngyo usira kwaye igonga kuirukwa nyagitari means iga iritwe sengenjo yechingo makarteki. So those are some of the answers that
lakini rende egento kirararo aseboniga ebintu bingembiri kirokende abantu bago speculate bagende tukonya gutwara ebirenge ngandake niga yarenga andake ikyagere koro kwagere boss yabaiga mbaraba bakoena na information eri umuntu kuri kwa manyana ki ameno manyerenga inchera iteretwe ose enigo anyarte igachete kuitwa ekero ale ase getaseni kyabanya nyimbo
but Kanja really told the Senate kagoika nalibi kagoika bwasari guchese a police station was I think it was the station igaiget tore diga koleire kagoyete meaning that thing abo bisaba the officers who were there who were sent kumuleta na bobwento ko bakalpabo kwa sababu onye gago chaka paka ba atumunya gitari meaning that na warenge the responsible ones including and Matilde gentona match kwe na iba kenkelinga Senate igoro aba senate abange they were asking why the main suspect to yore Eliud Lagat ko ikarabona ika atara na nwane litogorukanga wose atara itigemerimo kidogo uchunguzi yakorekane why is he still in office. That was the question that was raised na baseneta bange bakubonga ko ikarabona ika ne rose kanete ne kwerende ne tabanga one on one ne banga kende kiyo kabete kwetra sale but why is he still in office ko ikarabona ika atara sukakando wesatara ende leave kidogo egere uchunguzi nyako bage gukoreka.
Emmanuel na nekiro tukolira nonye na opposition leaders gotebanga opposition leaders want Lagat arrested over teachers killing na nekiro kuligeria abara ya bagekero bakendete gutwara kosikobera abisi bono trust ya Kenya ne raro ekere yaikire ase ngana buneiga.
Okay, ona asensi ya ikire bona ka roje bono kene nkiyangi yakeruze ko diri cases ne yabe te goro ali endanga pali ni cases ya be yiro kyo ko yiro le ko bora bono bi bonjo linde bi go tiranga ki is it that way that panda yani what the ko elimine the ones who are against the government, either physical or maybe online. Alafu ose kolgeri nene chingurwa bantaba the former, I can say the former opposition on Abaso as a government. Njira bako beke gente yani njira bako kira. Mbaigo kira mna serious mono. Ni bali
Mbaraki ya uboli toboli muganera.
Uboli toboli bali ngi kira nga kiri yani opposition. And bono ise kuligere remote na kere kaba siasa ngo so ero. Ndo ise kuligere remote ba tena. Even ukabila ikiagera no ruche this aspect you involve. No more igwe somo.
And you see I saw the statement Kurwa say united opposition. No, we have opposition and we also have united opposition.
Yes, opposition leaders want Lagat arrested. Wakora wana Kalonzo Musyoka.
Iklabu ngirigia chile kwa united opposition kibwate ababalia bakwamiria serikali na barabu naro chibako bulinga gwikira bono ya Lagat are bado office gwikira bono ya ataraji
nere yo bako tabangane ko anataka kuba arrested
wanataka kuba arrested na boygo ndio chenga mashirika ya kijamii yawazilisha kesi mahakamani na the balibakurwanira obwene bwamanya bantu
si activist
baroba bekire kina yo kumushtaki Lagat kwa egati abali abosikanete asuko kwa Albert Ojwang.
Na Raila Alice renew threats to desert Ruto ngabali bara babwatani ba Raila niko bako serire bono gucha kotiga komosira kusikumo kwati simorai bwense nekirondo chenga Godfrey Ososio yore omo deputy party leader Meya ODM agotebanga when we signed the MOU with UDA we agreed there will be no abductions or extrajudicial killings. If we don't receive clear answers, we will consider this a material breach of the MOU. Kuigwana kuliba korete bona korakana ngangura pa kukubatiwa. Activists ask a court to allow them to Lagat. Kwakurwanira bwene bwa manyabanto aigasensi ya Kenya bono niko babolire kigambiro Kenya ariko banjira komosoera ere umukonyi bomo Inspector General umanyekana tabuna Eliud Lagat. Na senators question Interior CS Kanja and Amin Mohamed over cover-up bid. Murkomen on the hot seat over teachers a death. Nga ingane yoyonsi ivi mbiritu abiritu kurigerera. Na asinse moyende ngochaka nae Emmanuel. Ntobate watanga Mbadi's a balancing act amid mounting debt, revenue shortfalls and struggling Kenyans. I think one way kwa budget ya mwaka wega 2025. Ekirotanga Treasury CS has held the key docket for under a year to deliver budget speech today. Budget ono nga engane yunguchire nguchi bale kukwanira budget ritukuri rero umusikie Mbadi.
Okay, usikugelia sabu hasi budget. Maite umusikie Mbadi na watu budget. Na watu budget byagera na roje kikabete last year. Ono asina ina roja ko kuma kibwete pia na ki budget umako. Tigo chikwa affect mwananchi mu.
Ngabangote yementire 4.24 trillion inere total budget.
Anargu atetea sana watu na budget umako ne a bit fair. Tigo chikwa affect mwananchi mu. Akibono kimetina au kwa na mangana yelinde na maite kikabete de adaya.
Na ndekera alinga opposition.
Kwanza kuetetea mapema. Usi na vere na wote. Kage umete na bakuyetia. Baadaye nenda yanda soke. Bono pressure nero. Na wote pressure na. Ndai so many ndire tension yense.
Nko kwanira igoro ya budget yetu ritukuria rero. It is a very important day for Kenyans, especially kereto kwanira mangana ye budget. Igano to kumanyaranga where are we heading in the next 1 year kwa sababu no tax chikuruwa no tax chikonyara kana veselia ego chikoketa for a budget. And inyuranga Matilda last time we saw again to kia gretanda ke aba Kenya bange bakaba against the budget ya last time irete ikegoria agency kaganda se street ko demonstrate ama ene it's what we call miscommunication. Yani communication tukoriria century rengi ya kwa resaba Kenya anda Kenya ngikiarenga se budget. I want to tell you nga abantu abange barabachete street, they never know what was contained in that budget. Lakini gwetera se abarayigete basometa anda kenwe when the opposition was opposition through chama ya ODM wakanyala kwa baku raise issues on how that thing, or say that budget take over raised to a point ekairera eka accelerate gose kamenta liberera mono ekageranga na abantu bakagende street. I think the government by now they have learned nga mbapo nta ko include the common mwananchi omanyanga inkikere galia ase a budget kwa sababu na toteba ngaligo liriyo bugimalipungue gose ebintu bike. At the end of the day we need to finance our own budget tonyore pesa through mwananchi tax yo mwananchi egere pesa toke enyara kubage gokonya chi project chiri proposed through as a budget na nyiranga a budget is just a proposal negento gegocha kietu through the cabinet nga kwekeraga iga a policy to went to implement nechi so body comes to present what they have agreed as a cabinet. Yes. Weteranga what are the some of the policies na suggestions banyorire na ebese inka yebonere tukuru. That's when you see ebintu bigotama gokinake kose byapongwake to raise the money that is needed for the budget. So I hope the government through the CS of Treasury Mbadi or learn what was the mistakes last time. Kwa sababu he was among the people who criticized serikali then through wagotabange budget you go say illegal lidio makona yakini. So I think the broad-based, which brought now the experts. Now, President Ruto Karanga got any more complain. You are the ones who are saying this about the budget. We want to see through being an expert. This is the first time he's going to read the budget in Bonge. And which are these new ways and my expert no monto matamangana na my tamangana accountants.
Yes.
Have we had a proper communication? Do we have the public participation that has been done through the budget? How efficient was it? And inki kire content imenga nduga kiara tumekuchia saba Kenya to a point like we avoid the mistakes that we had last time. Kwa sababu material, let me tell you, today we don't want to go to the direction of having protests. Number one, the young people. It is very sad. And because if we have a mandamano capital, tell me about biashara capital. We don't want to go to that direction. And I hope Mbadi has done everything to ensure that he avoids the mistake the last time because of not giving people civic education in contained Maria se budget.
Na onchiri ndote egayotanga Kenya's debt rises by 780 billion in 9 months. Oyo no more control of budget Musubati Margaret Nyakango niko agote babono ekira tokoligereria external debts niko chire at 5.24 trillion na boigo domestic debts niko chire 6.12 trillion. Aigaso comment kana kwa madeni ekira tokoligereria na korwa au mwaka weta wose ekira serikali yewe service bana alitokulichira chingi sana.
Umaidekero musike Dr. William Ruto aswe tubugandia so mwaka 2022 na nduse kolgere limagega enga kenga se campaign amangi bintu biri atebete na arate go serious sense na madeni kyagera gatebe toyo lengo niga musike uhuru ngekinata niga sabeta madeni amangi sana pale ono musike Ruto kerali gochi mpawa gatebeta man ibintu biri gochi kuligereria usa gochi gokora nuko oredusa madeni ya oya Syria.
Yes.
Lakini bono kero musiko Ruto asweta sobo gambi na umukonyo erga gashagwa pede baganze kende tanga ni banze tenga ki etwaso atwanyora pesa ntiyo etwa kwa tuweza abanda bali bayirete Jones P kwale chi account chire bosa on the other hand njenga oranga ki the first excuse wetete abuna pesa ntiyo ono aya after gabu umusiko William Ruto oyoro murayo manna kwensi agateba unabono kiro umuntu akane tax umuntu gaye ko ushuru like the past akaingilia banasiasa abantu abalase serikali y'abanyamwene sana imbale balete sana na utumigre including the former president Uhuru Kenyatta sawa linde tukakianga ki through that
tigatoa kane bango amadeni yake
taxi ngochere pale ama tukakaendera gusuka motwe noroche chisabali ya umosike utakwenda niki nyingi sana fact in 2.5 years utalire kubwa
barahivali
kubwa barahivali yes ende echinde gae kwenda somewhere in a silent way ani bono tu ando sabama deni whatever you could get pale bona like it was an iron madeni ya wakanire indi gwasa ani aendete gutira kwani ndikwa yasabete kwa ani bono olio yakane tenero ko yasaba muno like obuonde bwensi bono libo yamanya kuchanga ki bono taxi ekikigo sagwa abananchi na ikigo kibono
yes
bona bwe condition yama kiboswa bono
ebange tirete
yeah
mienda sitagike boni mutenya paka gikorurete
I think again tongere toko tabanga again tongere toko rukanga expectations expectations ge korukorwa se ebitabo monta so mirechi movie monta rire abasani ba experiences and all those so and again I want you to know Matilda politics engineer politics yako played in our country ebintu mbira abantu batayete kuigwa so William Ruto knew exactly that was political and our nature of politics ni wata propaganda nyingi goika ale kuligia egento ge korusia abantu kurwa ase the current that regime that had the support gose umurayo mukuru Yoweri Uhuru Kenyatta na ngo support ya renge the opposition then ya Raila Odinga umusani oye oyibarukanite brother through the handshake. William Ruto, there is something that we call divide and rule. Yani no mino gari, I want to tell you a practical example. Nabona nyari mino muri abaiseke batano. Umako nyoranga abaiseke batatu mwe baraba baliri. Na abaiseke babere gusa abande baraba mwamwe. Umanyete umuntu narora ache minali abatabinga abaiseke baba baliri in fact baba chaite sengenje mu mwamete. You see na abana bamino. Lakini umuntu ukiri with a divining thing ekotaka kora abarusi ense mwenu na abana bamo era ababeka kano ngaya amaenepi etimu ne mbaliri ne timu andaka na bamwambarake you know that is what we call now divide. Someone has divided you na umura abana bamo pi we are all Kenyans lakini umura ibwenso Yoweri William Ruto agaicha akaligera ngaki what are some of the things that ndarusi abantu tekereba believe abaye theory gete egere benyorenga no bali kuchiga. That's how politics is played. Akatabanga number 1 akarigere weaknesses amadeni nasabire inchabono ngocha amadeni yanko makinde shiwa na aragere tubwate emechanda sense yitu nindusi. In fact yaba Kenya bange they saw it as a practical thing bakaranga mainepi na amadeni nato chandite bakasukensema akamanya gateba moise kurugere mwana Jomo Kenyatta no mwana Jaramogi abana abantu bamenyire asobogambi for a long time inkie kamoroche ke ibararete tikatora atware hasla tokamanya konyora kana ngachi hasla chikorete igo barabange baroba kagende nsema akumanya batabanga rende the system of the government was not working nari gere mama mboga nari gere mwanto ba boda boda so the majority ba Kenya ore WhatsApp group ya moya boda boda mama mboga nechi hasla kama kawaida na create meremo ye chigasi so aba Kenya ba akirite William Ruto igo ba muakirite kura kama tabinga bona tete ko egente nechi problem ye chigwa identify then give us a solution keromos keuru Daktari William Ruto aicha akanyoranga you can't run a country minus this madeni you cannot run Kenya without madeni kwa sababu gani we consume more than we produce yani binge we don't live within our means ikotomenyete oboki manko nyako konga bore abantongo nyako menda and the more the population grows the more the budget grows bigger so we don't need to be expecting amadeni napongwe. Why am I telling you? It was just a narrative yokoleta bantu yokwera chikura
asingincho yebiro mienda entagete Emmanuel onyare korigereria headline bose torigereria ngana enene ase gazeti ya Daily Nation
as a headline, Daily Nation.
Yes.
Yeah, Lagat under siege.
Engana neri. Yes.
Ngegandu wate bichaya. Omaneno wa askari ase Central Police Station Nairobi. Bichaya nira. Alafu gaga na gogo giri headline ne wate amaswali yali. Abete kuboli bwane chi senators. Like so Moses Kajwang, na even the former AG, Justin Muturi, Anthony General.
Yes.
Lakini ele gani gako na rakota bana ki. Ele ni gako akora andila uko tibwe gasi kwa abanena ababa nyingo. Including Lagat and his team.
Ekirobo tukibogenda tegokoro.
The same nga page according to what the pressure mounts on Lagat to step aside over slain teacher. Nkaite no roche ayabe te gwa as Senate na pressure as a country as in ki omo konyo yogwa wabana nyimbo mokonyo wabana nyimbo.
Yes.
Nigari a step aside that is a
Ari tigemeremo.
Yogo tukibonya arugo kwabo. Ekyagira kulingana ne kesi ekya kyabete ibo. Ona ena kiora changia se party yoroje.
Just as I said ilituachaka na I was in the nonarenge physically narigirete proceeding ninkara amaswali abantu bare koboli ali aba senator once nanya tukobinko yarora guchiase IG Kanja naboigo muwaziri Murkomen naboigo ekiombekeri kya IPOA naboigo the directorate of criminal investigation. So na maswali arenge very relevant kumanyanga what happened indeed wikirogo kwa Albert Ochieng.
Ojwang.
Ojwang, I'm sorry, tumatinga ngingonya kwa.
No nyana sise ne tengo ya taliare ngumu chano na chabange bako confuse bako tabaka Ojwang no mo senator I crashed out and they vara matenga pole.
Ojwang not Ochieng. The our brothers from the Luo Nyanza ko chaka na one. It is a kind of but we apologize. It's Ojwang, not Ojwang.
Yes, Emmanuel na kuskapose noroche na ndene bwatenga na ndere tofauti.
Okay, gosuka botimbotu motwe na yotu senators na kuskanze wakafa bin Ojwang is dead. Gaiga wese kurege inspector police o moneno wa na nimbo. Nga koruti statement ibe. Siko masikolete ko
tire conflicting
itangani niga debete no mungwani Ojwang ni galegwe we tuo meri asenya si ga bono ngale bolimna maite abantu nkuitabale that's normal but it is not normal to kill yourself. Yeah, lakini
muntu kwetu merinya bako ite
tayoranze kwetero uita kulio
bakekero muntu atari
we itankoro lakini kwetu merinya simpako ku no ne chinguru chyo kwetu merinya simpako ku ngaichikuru
abuno iboyo ndeli bozanya ki ne kyagra banta banye bakuita onora ibonyo lyogogete yani okwa ina peaceful way but bona no lekibwa nande no mwalimu
age chia dibaka ekole
alafu igaya na okulgere yani okay kero bale ko kufuatilia no ne CCTV
etinde chibunire
chikole ile
exam chemistry
ndiringo kwantiri active pale people ndeli amana koberaga
aba bale ko ruseche CCTV bale ko chisari mbarabe
alafu emuzo ngaki lastly omoneno bwaba na nyimbo mabotanga ki uma wa apologize atebamna mangana na kwanete taliyeke
na kiyogo trust aba Kenya wonse ngekibago trust moto no
alafu noroje etrikness nere Kenya ngaki abantu abana beserika umuntu kwana leleke
mambi bonjoka
apologies yote I was misquoted and you gonna kwani to already even politicians
yes
maybe what did they say
Maito sina nde mugano norore tofauti utatiga iboja.
Norore tofauti tunori. Okay, mwe yotu comparison Kenya kwanza kuwa human rights record. Serikali ya rule chi record chimbe. Asisi serikali ya velo totewe yolituira ne back to Kanu era. Eneli to experience a little bit amangana guna yu. Lakini nene ya role kanu.
Gotwara chi bicha chimbe.
Koroki chimbe. Chimbe tokwende page ende tigona mbadi is made in budget and was not to raise taxes.
Ayo bwana tukukwana litu kuri rero andinga kiurare mya bakenya ngabango turi comment
and unaboko tebanga maite Emmanuel nachaka ko tebanga mbari na babwa to boba you know oboba mbali koroka na so montore nga konyegeriwa gochaka with a statement tiniko raise taxes shows am anything na babwete because of what happened but Kenyans, we are Kenyans we don't go to streets because tutagete go threaten umuntu. It is because we want something working and much as you have explained and told us we want to live within our means. We have the tax we have the debts kusama deni tuwente wakana. That is why andaki kineke yokorekan. Kenyans are Kenyans, we can understand. Neringa last time the first thing that made abantu kugenda on streets was there wasn't a proper communication from the Ministry of Treasury. That's why people never understood what was happening. Lakini bona mbadi it's a maiden budget because maiden no matene tokorokanga again your first time. So it's a maiden budget. Obeiro we almost all year. I think it's all year. Bona na teatora ranga obo expert buaye now that oiro docket yiga what is different turanyar ko batogo expect kurwa sare
na gazeti ya Taifa Leo
asa gazeti ya Taifa Leo Matilda amangana mange igare kusikana amangana aliagendete igentokere tutara kunira ke gonkiringa polisi wameua raia 136 ndani ya mwaka mmoja uliopita yani the last 1 year hapa Sigari usabanya nyimbo bahitira abantu 136 a very big number. I want to repeat what I said yesterday. Abanya nyimbo iko baro kotoa protection. Itaringa na ndina wagusikana na mangana yoboiti. So I think 136 Matilda ina benene namon. 136 kurwa sama oko yabanya nyimbo it means ega siyo muchando noro alafu nkuriri entokere different ega kidoga singe nchebiro Ruto akaidi koti na kuteua kirasmi makamishona wa IEBC one it's official that we ntobwate abanyakerogo na abakomishona bekiyombekeri kya pachorinye chimbebe IEBC yensi to ya Kenya despite that we had some court orders chigo tabanga andake bali bachore tu mbabwata maswari kidogo
na yue Emmanuel hapo se IEBC mete ono kwate kirengere kere tofauti
kirengere na kiki yale na Ruto for example asina ina chekia senga zeti the standard ya about the same information I think kawaida yo moral kwenze umusikevia Ruto no court orders asina na tevede haki I don't know. Asina I don't understand. Maybe Asina I'm the doctor. I know what I'm doing. Yani nama the and how right. Oh no. Okay, after court ya teneniri church commissioner including the chairperson Rastas. Koti ya teneniri yake lakini Ruto tevenga kia banda once parliament yaba ikiya na bata minority yaba ikiri the right people
majority
lakini doubts nere puru ensena ki abanda aba mbaikira nete kyagera asina na roche sako gete ozan gazeti nere kinkwenya buyandria linge sako gete
abaire
abanda abande kire the main key politicians
akote banga chi godfather arata godfathers ono bwato muntu manyete yani no bwate connections ni nabantu gete
it's all about connections
abanda bambare related to the main key points and the characters.
You see, Matilda, my taking to go grab a Kenya batch in question, was sent trying to you, the under Yuria Kenya, almost like every policy almost William Ruto had on board ya very questionable. Be it SHA, ya chete kotini, Adani, amangana e-citizen, almost everything ya chire as a court. We have what we call separation of powers.
Yes.
Almost Dr. William Ruto feels as long as the Parliament of Kenya ya nchiranire balia chorte buna aba commissioner na boy go munyakerogo na bo bwene takogenda maite na nkoti karaba chire at the end of the day it comes on an individual level maybe at a con tabwene at cover at an individual level, but the court cannot again de etebenga bono parliament ya korete bobe kubachora usikoba idhinisha bali ba korete achora. There's what we call separation of powers. It is within the court the parliament nero yoka yare gotebanga maene banta bamba isaini you are igabuna botwara doubts, but when parliament ya nero what you call the appointing authority yare kurwa se president kare ya ichire igali ya se bunge beat no koraba stamp beat buna bachoru as long as parliament ya nchiranire. That is what happens. It is the same case with Keroto Abwatenga Azimio Nera majority na minority. You see court error according to Barabuba interpreting Azimio was the majority. But there's what we call separation of powers. Kaya chire bunge court tebuati nchira ego questioning na kyomo speaker karaki atebanga bana majority. It is the same case we are having today. Lakini rendo moraibu ensina bantu kobe kiore kererikia by trying to follow what the court orders. Egerenga nere obwenta kobe kioro kererikia na kuorkia bakenya when you go to courts you find justice. Egere ko support what we call amangana justice.
Nkagiritenga ebiro mpi ntori ase ebiro bigoto munyoki kegema timaitinga nande Emmanuel na kero tukurire ase koro kwarorire amangana yega yebigambiro ase boniga ekigambiro ngire independent buna ekatiba ekubura.
Okay, Kenya asense to Kenya to what democracy. Yeah, nero. Lakini ose kujirelia I don't know. Okay, on my part, like democracy, tuwe buate sana ngosi suga tuwe democracy. Lakini mtutoe in the country, tinkola gosengo kwa rewe, tongo kwa rawa, coding, go outside, whatever, Kenya, democracy.
We are a democratic country.
Lakini wogote indeed.
Ikarora Kenya ime?
Ama MFP, serikali ya wali a lot of contradictions. Ono paka anguzi nibono where is the country heading to, lakini it is our country paka toya
aba democracy aba Kenya mbabwato busuboro bunge sana umaite chinse chinde konyorore ng'ebintu ebigo chibyakora kana bona abasaye gotumeme tandao enchira restrictions inchiraroro lakini Kenya kwa yoro busuboro bona bugo tumeka bobe. Yes,
lakini my question is ogo tumeka bobe nkwa gorotse ko rukare sele rukare antubange maingi
obusibole
nkeria there is a tension ere nse paka bono ndegwensu paka umwana umusinyo ko nyora maite kegendere that is example ngakeria demonstration kwa clip ngere so get this guy and the funny guy push out at anauza airport in fact
ngadani
according na nje okay nje school in fact even I was not aware that about and
no nyabara ya bange pama
wale bono muntu ngalate
ngadani
the konia I was ikavana kide ikabidi fuatilie story mpaka nkile boli gaki why you selling the airport there's a question why you leasing KCC paka ngaka tuwabiri na bara before my day the likes of Jomo Kenyatta bali bagaje tense the likes of Moi despite what some weakness mba tete tense bakaire nse step the likes of Moi Kibaki. Why inkiuta omura the current yaro ile nimpe
era no komboy konia
ndi fan wa arege sana sometimes say reggae kuna message this a song of like Dube yagote that it took 1,000,000 years to build their reputations, you know. But it takes seconds were full will destroy already into
Kia made for years.
like we have freedom fighters who wanted this country. Wakarosi and say after that tukanyoro independence. Bantu wakarosi and say abara before wakarosi Jomo Kenyatta KICC. Lakini now here is the current president of Sakaroji in man. I don't know. Akoro rain resource in terms of cash. So that's my question.
I think nana what advisors kero metora ya terero mobe abantu bali bamonjo kana.
But the president has one of the presidents I think in the Kenyan history William Ruto
what advisors
yabange sana abande paka the same thing bachire koti gotringa ngajya gotwara advisors yabange. So ne serikali ya Kenya kwanza ni what controversies nyingi. I've had Emmanuel talk about the previous serikali. Of course na bakatore ntwarenge during the Jomo Kenyatta ntwarenge during the Moi Zaira nalitware koiboru then maybe ntwarenge buyabuya nchenda tebo murai bwensori naro rirende meremo yae Uhuru Kenyatta and some Rio Kenyatta na riri Kibaki akurwa sobogambe maybe but a big share twarere Uhuru Kenyatta na bwego William Ruto bonoiga. But from the history and the events that happened during the Jomo Kenyatta's time, during the Moi's time, during the Kibaki's time, when we compare with what is happening imbire tofauti naro kutokunya gotebanga kare byarengega naro we as Kenyans we need to accept change kwa sababu ngakiria na arenzera nere byarenge buna byarenge. But as you accepting this change ekegocha, is it really equivalent to the ways things are done, to the technology, to the way things are being driven? Egerenga anda ketonyorenga we have a good country.
I think shida yarenge buse ekero Emmanuel agotebanga ago compare ago se comparison ya okorana matukama giga neringa ki ekero buna myaka gendete guska ibaga toko accept umete ko itaba change go sa monchorerio oko itaba monchorerio akogenda busio bono to itaba monchorerio agotagora ibintu biri already abantu barwanete myaka ebe.
That's now the problem.
Yes okogenda mamincha na monchorerio yaganire
wana na vere igona Kenya kwanza has had a lot of controversy. We have never seen any president release state projects. We have those state projects, be it KICC, to what Jomo Kenyatta. So parastatals and echinde chiko ba joint ebintu nebinge byakora kandi be very different from the other regimes that we have had. That's why Emmanuel we are trying to compare ngakie ko banga bono during the Kenya Kwanza administration alitoko nyoranga bono JKIA nkobere list
Emmanuel asisemo ene nko boringa ekretogore omoske William Ruto onye oburayo bwa bono amonjorere buna ebintu fani biko korekana buna bono ko beka oko maji chi parastato ebintu nebinge ebyombe obiko beko amo byanyara kubwata no byabekemo. You can imagine asemya kerebosio abaiga bare genzi bachiko babara ebinse, what will happen?
I say, but okay, you might be asking that zero that you got on a part of Gen Z. You might do to a road, I think, on my own. A road, when I walk up now, what I
Emmanuel, don't you think we'll inherit the DNA of our fathers who are the millennials? System. Don't you think to inherit
advisors and bad about convergence was advice upon the every angry when I took across it is Hokoro, but na fight body.
Okay, like in the end, I can say then the Omora, you never say, she advice and with an aim like. Okay, not even advisors.
N'abantu konyore mirimo onyora umushahara ubo wagache bo. Yes.
inoroche the likes of PA
Faruk
tindage titogende nchireyo nande yare koma bia tusitogendereria mangana ya mambi kiagera nducinga ebiro mbitenene na abageni kagretenga baikire
Edondo togwenda Ichuni ma Kisi County Ichuni yare Kisi County Ichuni yare Nyaribari
Masaba mwegano rorero
by the way I could have hoped that women rep gako iromo robelia guchichinse mochiri ndochega iganga umonyaroko yomo nabanya ko bgakwira ni gusobo esababu neringa igakorokana koba umonyabitina kurwa chomo joye igakonya kuruta ko anda urutegetina aga wana bate betanga kurwochaga baba egasi yawe yaberenga nebitina byoka wana ngento kora eba mutumeta bible ande baramusomi kitabi egere enyarekane ahirane karibia Matilda by the tiganda utaragendra abantu abange bakwagiyunga baiseka abanyaruka bahagusie nabo bare very hard working nabanyakene bare egento babwate mechando kidogo nemigogore timatinga gosembo mane kiboro
gutware visa
migogore
mingi
gose
omonto nerabwe ko bwate bitina kose abasubati bose korogusina obari
it's a Canaan, of course, yes. It's a blessed land.
This country, and in Zambia, throughout the year. So I give my thing to be called one area, and I know the best women come from Kisi, the same way best men come from Kusiland.
Yeah, for Africa. I mean, Kisi men are from Africa.
In a very as a family. My family, what dinner, one of Okonyo such a cases that go happen. By the way.
So monyaroko yegentare okora yari kolan the mood ngaki silent mode irega gose ngaki amanya koro kicha. You see, bagata banga gokwenda sabaroma baroma bakora.
Haya, ngagreta sengareyo ndageti togendero mwancho murigere utirabu no togokore asense moyichi gazeti lituko oriarero korende asege kekere bosio ntochikurigera na kituranya kurinde ibintu bitonchukanaine arina muno korinda emeteri ye kienyeji meteri mekoro emeteri etari gose mekutari yega ya bono ya bere bune yaji mo gose ya bere ke okorerwa obo science kumwancho muriye nicho twara bageni babere elitunya kurigerera engane yo asenchera ere eyo bwemeke gima kirango kobole tobasa gusika
Etwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamuraba kikuya mandege uzito somya bamuraba
ine kwabeire gukorera asenga kintambe guse nigo kwarwalire na gusalia enibo enyinge buno tokwa omoyo inyagitali ya World Fit Health Centers neroli chibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange.
We call your prostate eno borwere bwasundwira abagaka sana bwe sukari, what you call the genesis of diabetes. Ngaki borwere bwe sukari bo so mobero boime hypertension